Alright guys, today we are taking a deep dive into the Oraimo Spacebud hybrid ANC true wireless earbuds. Are these the perfect earbuds you have been searching for? Alright, let's find out together. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. We have got the Spacebuds, a slick charging case, a USB Type-C cable, ear tips for the perfect fit, and of course, the user manual. Everything is packed nicely. The case is compact, the earbuds are snug and lightweight, perfect for both comfort and portability. Now, let's talk design. The Spacebuds are inspired by lunar eclipse, and it really shows. The transparent metallic 3D flowing texture gives them a futuristic premium look. And trust me, they feel just as good as they look. The charging case is small enough to fit into your pocket easily. And the earbuds themselves have an in-ear design that stays comfortably in place, whether you are hitting the gym or on your daily commute. Comfort is a big deal with any earbuds, and these don't disappoint. With multiple ear sizes, you are going to find a perfect fit, ensuring both comfort and top-notch sound quality. Let's talk noise cancellation. 50 dB hybrid active noise cancellation, to be exact. Whether you're at a bustling cafe or on a crowded street, the Spacebuds block out all noise so you can focus on your music, podcast, or whatever you are listening to. And when you want to be aware of your surroundings, transparency mode is here to help. A quick tap and you can hear everything around you. Perfect for staying alert while jogging or waiting for announcements. Customization is a huge plus with Spacebuds. The Oraimo Sound app lets you adjust the voice prompt and also change the lighting effect of your earbuds to match your vibe. These customizable light effects are a cool touch that lets you express your personal style all while looking sleek and futuristic. Now let's talk about battery life. With ANC off, you get up to 11 hours of playback on a single charge, and the case gives you an additional 29 hours. With ANC on, you're looking at about 8 hours, with 21 more hours from the case. Plus, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playback. That is impressive. Call quality is super clear, even in noisy environment, thanks to AI noise cancellation feature. Whether you are in a windy area or a crowded street, your voice will come out loud and clear. For you gamers, there's a low latency game mode that syncs the audio with the on-screen action perfectly, so your gameplay feels smooth and immersive. This bad boy can be purchased for as low as 525 cedis, which is equivalent of $34 if I'm not mistaken, yeah? Just $34 for this, yeah. And it's really good, trust me. So what's the verdict? The Oraimo Spacebud Hybrid ANC True Wireless Earbuds offers a great combination of style, functionality, and performance. The noise cancellation, battery life, and customization features are all top-notch, especially considering their price point. If you are looking for a wireless earbud that delivers premium features without breaking the bank, this bad boy here is worth considering. It's really worth considering. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this review, please drop a comment. Just type Spacebud, that means you are getting it, okay? Bis später.